to modify the database connection information. First, to open context XML, insert ONF here, and find the context node. Context node is here. Yep. Here we paste a resource node from other CRF and this one, and find the sample data here, copy and paste here. Okay. The sample data here is the name of JNDI data source. And next are some link information of my circle, like driver. Here we used my circle driver, and the username, password are same as the PC which you used. Now this is my PC port number, and the sample data is the database we used, and the username, password, and if the database encoding you used is UTF-8, you should input here UTF-8. Now let's save the file and go to the web apps chart base thing and find the JNDI XML. Open. Okay, there are 4 JNDI definition here. First is named as sample data. It is same as we create in context XML before here, same as here. Okay, you can choose the JNDI resource you saw here in the list of JNDI in Designer. Here we have 4, but only sample data can work, as we just registered sample data in context.xml. Okay, let's continue to see how to modify another configuration file. Go back to CONF folder in Tomcat. And open the server.xml and find the port 8080. Okay, here 8080. You can add some encoding transfer information before port here. And we also have to input my circle driver here. Let's go to font from here, ID, and find my circle driver, copy, and paste it here. Okay. You just make sure you have the driver of database you have used in the lib directory of Tomcat. Now let's restart Tomcat server. Okay. Tomcat startup and test the designer. Okay, open the browser and input the designer address. Open the file. Open the file we create before. Here we open the radio filter. This one. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Here we add some user information. This is a test page of chart integration, loading chart configuration get from URL. You also can add some charts, create the image, and so on. Okay, and insert the chart created in div. The chart will full cover div parent container. Okay, let's open a new browser. HTTP localhost. Okay, the chart view viewer.html. Let's open this one. Okay, look at this example. We use the chart in chart viewer here. Means the chart viewer means the chart configuration and the reports and the chart parameters. Yeah, here. The description appears on the upper of the browser, can be added. We said before you can add the chart, anything else you want. And the gray border here, is the chart in div object we inserted. And the button here also can be used to refresh the data in the chart, the third quarter, the fourth quarter. Okay, let's see how to integrate the chart in other application in details. Let's back to the chart base. Open a saved file. This one, and run by clicking run button. Now the chart appears in browser. And go back to chart viewer. Go back to chart viewer here, and open the viewer HTML. Okay, create a script node in head node. Here, script node in head node here. Okay, and quote JavaScript tool library to initialize chart user console, and insert a sf.js file into src, and you must create a new script block here. New script block name as test JavaScript. Okay, first to define the chart object variable name, and add onload init in body tag. Means init function will be operated in the present page after browser onload. Okay, let's see the definition of the init. So, okay, the function init. First, create chart object, and my chart equal new swf. First, to initialize the chart object and customize chart div element in parent container, and then set the next parameters, like set chart object load as WF as chart base bin chart base SWF, and set chart object size as 100% width, 100% height in parent container. It would be full covered container. And set the configuration parameters after chart object unload as chart base bin chart studio.xml, and init callback. Init callback here means set the callback function as init callback after chart object initialization. Okay, how does the init callback function operate? First, to set the configuration files address of the chart object load, and also set the parameters. Set the parameters of chart object initialization at runtime, and this parameter controls the default value of the filter in chart object. ID is the name of the filter component. Value is the default value of filter component. And the paras here. Initialize present chart. URL is the loading address of the chart template. Paras is running parameter, and it also can be, the paras is optional. And next, there is a div element in body here. ID is chart div. It is the parent container of the chart. And you also can see the chart div in document get element by ID here. Here means initialization will read the chart div and to load and display the SWF flash object. And you also can customize the style of the div here, width and height. You can customize by yourself. Okay, now let's save the file and input this URL. Input URL as http localhost. Okay, the chart viewer. Okay, so this chart shows the sales in 2011, the third quarter of 2011. If you want to change the parameters, like the browser showed the first quarter in 2011 directly, you can add it here. Paras, the quarter filter value set as here is set as 4, and the save. Okay, let's refresh the browser. Okay, now the fourth quarter in 2011 shows in the browser. That's the end. Thanks.